everyone, Christina here, your tech director. Hey, today I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how you can add a daily agenda email to your email every day of what classes are happening with KW Onward group. And here's how to do that. When you're in your Google Calendar, you will see the different calendars you have access to on the left side. Make sure that you click on these three dots next to KW Onward Group. Then click Settings and Sharing. From there, you will click the button on the left side over here, Other Notifications. And once you click that, it will load the screen. And it might take just a minute because there are a lot of emails that we have shared this calendar with, so it's a little slower. Once it pulls up, you'll see Daily Agenda right here in the middle of the screen. You will click on the drop-down menu right next to it, and you will select Email. So once you have done that, daily you will receive emails on what classes are happening within KW Onward Group to your email address, and you'll receive that automatically at around 5 a.m. every day, okay? If you ever have any questions, let me know. Have a great day.